Vaseline. Hey, vamos a tener caso con makeup. Así es lo picriga. Bueno, picriga.
Baby, good news, please.
Okay, good news is nothing to add. I'm going to stick to that one. I'm going to stick to that one. So everything is exactly the same. Couple of trucks broken down going uptown hill. Haven't been told they've been moved yet. And if they are still broken down going uptown hill, one will be in the vicinity of the Peter Brown on-ramp, and the other two will be just before Hilton. Those two are on the left-hand side of Town Hill as you go up that hill. And then the other one that was broken down a while ago, Metro Station.
I think it's
I'm going to say it's the entry leaving Durban towards Pinetown, but it is before the pavilion. And it is on the left-hand side of the entry leaving Durban towards Pinetown before the pavilion. This is JVD Full Traffic on the drive with Mongani and of course
more traffic.
Check your settings. Hayi phethe yazi mina bese ngithi ngizoyibuyisela kubo le moto. Usadlala iculo kuvele. Qhamuka indaba. Bavula kulomuzi. Hello. Jesus. Suke emotweni phambili kanti unjani? Boy, ayenziwa lo nto mfana wami. Ngibhizi kabi le weekend ngengikwazi ukugcwaba. Ingane yami iyajabula iphonse emotweni. Emisa ngodonga mina ngingcwabe kahle next day January. I'm very busy. Hello baby. You call me Mr. M. Hello mommy. Hello mommy. Alana. Uzandlani? Ngenani? Siyojika lapha, shaya isitudla. Ninjani?
Siyaphila.
Hello gogo. Siyabona sithanda sami? IsiZulu siyasazi? Kancane. Okay ma, it's good. Xa nisifunde izulu ngoba manje isingisa akasazi. So nenkingi. Ipako wena. I know. Sisibone. Yayizo. Mfana wami ngiyakhokha la. Ngiyakutshela. Ngiyakhokha boy.
Khokha
Nangoklotha.
When you went to cookie sense, bangnikeza PM.
Hayi bamna ngiyakhokha mfanami. Say hi.
Hi, bye.
Bye guys, sengifikile. Baby, come say hi. Come, how Nana, we can't even see you. What's wrong? Come. Come, Pam. Say hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Bye. How's Cream the one vet?
Oh, Pam. Oh! Let's be go. Yes.
Hey, bye. Get away.
No, they're not going anywhere. They're my friends. Why are you chasing them away?
Who is that you're talking to?
There's a whole lot of them. I don't know who's here. There's Ninjabulo and there's Nelly. There's Ninjabulo. There's Ninjabulo. No. Who's he?
I don't know.
No, man, I'm not. Yeah, Kakhulu, long time. Bye, guys. Othi attend the crew yami ingane zami.
Movies on, movies on.
Balani bantu bami. So shaya isidudla manje. So shaya induku niyazi?
Nini?
Manje, so shaya induku manje.
Why?
Ay, le nduku ecabangayo biko wava umlungu. Not induku. Induku. Sonyis. Not that ndugu. Not that ndugu.
That's what I mean. I don't mean that guy.
Okay, what do you mean?
I mean like the other guy.
Okay, that ndugu.
Okay, I must say open.
You can open, baby.